Okay, so before I tackle this, because I want to put this stuff away, I'm going to tackle some stuff that's been really irritating me. One, this. Good concept, but it gets caught and leaves my cabinet open like that until these are like dwindled down to nothing. And then two, this. I bought this thinking it would work out well, kind of keep all of this organized while having a little space here to put stuff away that I have on the counter. However, these don't fit in here right. These get caught on my cabinet as I'm bringing them out. A lot of my forks won't fit here because I don't know if it's just you need thinner utensils in order for it to work, but I don't know if there's such a curve that they don't really work well in there. I am really not sure, but this thing is not cutting it. So I'm just going to go back to having my stuff in this and get rid of this because it's kind of pissing me off, honestly. So originally these cabinets, or I should say this drawer, had like a built-in divider in it. You can kind of see where the back of it there has a few marks of where it was like glued into place, but over time it just started to break. And I have always been trying to find something that'll work just as well. The wooden thing probably comes closest to working the best, and I had high hopes for the little plastic thing, but it's not happening. And I do have a question for you guys. So the silverware that I have is it is 16 pieces of each: forks, spoons, knives, all of that. I literally am down to, I think, 4 or 5 of my dessert forks. I will say it's kind of a big set. Like the dinner forks are like really large and heavy. I don't mind that, but I know like Mia and Greg, they're like, it's too much. So they use the dessert forks for all of their dinners and stuff. But I am literally down to, I think, 4 or 5 of them. And I have no idea. No, actually, I know where they went. They probably wound up in the trash somehow. And I'm so mad at myself. Like, how can I just be, I don't know, tossing a fork away and just willy-nilly not even thinking about it? So the question is, like, do you guys just wound up throwing your silverware away, or then realizing, like, when you're down to, because I started thinking, like, wow, I really don't have that many of the smaller forks left. What happened? And I thought my aunt was crazy because she counts her silverware anytime that, like, she has a large crowd of people over. And as she's doing the dishes, she will count to make sure that she has all of her silverware. And I thought, oh my God, this chick's nuts. But no, now I understand why she does it. So are you guys like randomly missing utensils?
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain. Beauty.
So I think this works out so much better. Literally took me 10 minutes and I've been putting it off for probably 3 months now. I know my husband found this. I had bought it from Amazon and I was going to use it and I never got to it. And then he found it. He was like, oh yeah, let's try it out. Ever since then, it worked horrendously. And I feel like my house is in a perpetual state of chaos because this drawer I go into every single day, and every single day it pisses me off. So now it looks a hell of a lot better, doesn't it? Okay, now we're going to move from utensils to all of my Tupperware kind of stuff. And as you can see, this looks like a total mess as well. And I even have stuff up there that I don't even want to fight to get put in here. But today I'm going to go through it and try and make sense of this. I think these cups here are ones that we don't really use. They're going to get put in the back. I put all of my baking stuff in here. I had it in this cabinet, but the toaster's right underneath of it, so it makes it warm. And I don't know if it's messing with like any of my baking stuff. So we're going to keep that down here. But we're just going to try and, one, get some light in here because it's dark, and try and make this work out a little bit better. Okay, so I'm not sure if you guys picked up on it. So in the very beginning of the video when I was talking about the stuff, the silverware, and then in the beginning part of this organization area, could you hear like that weird, like, it almost sounded like something was running or something in the background? Well, I finally figured out what it was because I'm thinking, oh my God, like, is there something wrong with my camera or my mic or something like that? It is the candle that I have burning on the stove. It's one of those wooden wick candles, and it makes so much noise when I'm burning it. And I realized it the one day I had it burning on the stove. I usually like to have my candles on the stove just because I figure, that's where any kind of flame is and it's okay. So I try not to have any candles like on end tables or anything like that, especially with the cats and their tails. I don't feel like a cat's tail going up in a puff of smoke because of a candle. But I had it on, or I had it burning the one day, and I'm in the front room and I'm thinking, why do I keep hearing something running? Like, is my fridge running, or do I have the stove on or something? And here it's the candle, it's the wooden wick of the candle. It's kind of crazy how loud that actually is. So that's what you were hearing. I don't know if it was like, because for me, when I heard it, I'm like, oh my God, what is that? That's kind of annoying, but that's what it is.
Mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive.
Okay, so we went through there. 11 minutes, 11 seconds, Make-A-Wish, 11:11. So that was really quick. Another thing that I've been putting off forever. Don't mind the Valentine's Day sugar thing. We're having an ant issue, and they found my little sugar thing, so I have to keep my sugar sealed now. This is stuff that I don't know what this goes to, so I gotta find that. I picked these up thinking they would be a good idea. They're like a silicone cover for bowls and stuff. They suck. So I don't know if I should just toss them, donate them, whatever. Plastic container. I have one container and 3 lids, so I only need one of those. So this is gone. I don't really use plastic containers that much, but I guess when we were down the shore, I bought them to have fruit in so we could take to the beach. So luckily we had plastic containers because that's what I was using to scoop out our tub. If you remember my story from like 2-3 videos ago of our insane pipe issue, but that's past us now, so we're good. But luckily I did have these, so I'll put that away. And then let me show you what this looks like. Not perfect, not Pinterest, but it's also not going to drive me crazy. I don't have a ton of space, so every inch in my cabinet has to work wisely because I'm an 1,100 square foot house, so I really have no room to, like, I would love to stack these with the lids on top, one stacked in the other, but that's just not going to happen. So we stack like this and put lids to the side. Because I'm a creature of habit, I was going to change this up and I was going to put these over here, all the bowls here, but I know that this is here. And because, like I said, creature of habit, I will always go looking here for my square dishes, or like, you know, yeah, like my glass containers. I will always look here, and I was always looking here for the lid, so I'm not changing that. Creature of habit. I'm stuck in my ways, I guess. I hate to say that. I'm usually pretty, you know, just go with the flow, but yeah, I know that'll drive me crazy if I move everything around, so we're leaving that there. But I think this looks good. 20 minutes, 2 projects I've been putting off. Like you saw in my last video, stuff that I just keep putting off that I put on a to, you know, I'll get to it list, and slowly but surely getting to it.